I think those numbers are solid. To add to what Emily just unpacked for us, I think one number in particular was very impressive to me. That's the free cash flow number. Alibaba generated over $11 billion free cash flow in just one quarter. That's almost twice as much as its biggest competitor generates in an entire year. I think Alibaba is not getting enough credit for having such a profitable business model and generating cold, hard, and very good cash.
Emmy, you want to jump in on this?
That's right, Martin. Jiong Shao, good to see you. Let's talk a little bit about the consumption demand in China. There was a small decline in revenues over at Taobao and Tmall. With the reopening of China, do you expect this figure to pick up?
Oh, absolutely. I think one of the concerns why the stock opened up earlier, pre-open in the States and then traded off was because I think the recovery during the March quarter has not been as strong as people hoped. Now, heading into the Chinese New Year, the GMV number, which is the sales number on Alibaba, was down year over year. That was a little bit concerning, but Alibaba management highlighted to the investors that things picked up after Chinese New Year. They already started to see a GMV growth, meaning the sales growth. Although it has only been a couple of weeks, it's not enough time to draw a trend. But I think those indications, the early indications, are pretty good.
In terms of growth, where are you looking in terms of the different business segments? The market has been really excited about artificial intelligence, the likes of ChatGPT, and what we saw with Baidu announcing the Ernie bot. Is Alibaba in this bandwagon for AI?
They are. We are actually in the camp is more rational. To be honest, I think it's more hype than the reality for the ChatGPT type of product. But for Alibaba, they are seeing the strongest growth. I think in the next 12 months is going to be from their cloud business. The cloud business has been under a little bit of pressure because one of the leading competitors, we know who they are. They are ByteDance. They are moving away from Ali Cloud outside of China for regulatory reasons. But that's going to lap very soon. So we are expecting a reacceleration of the cloud business in the next 12 months. And the international business is doing pretty good. It was up almost 20% year over year. So those are a couple of key areas. They are going to have much better growth than their core kind of Taobao and Tmall growth.